What if the world looked you in the eyes and told you you'll never make it? You're not good enough. You'll fail. Would you break or would you rise? Today, I want to tell you a true story of a girl who was told she was too poor, too black, too female to succeed. A girl who was abused, humiliated, and doubted by everyone. And yet, she built a self-confidence so powerful, it turned her into one of the most influential women on earth. Her name? Oprah Winfrey. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how she turned doubt into destiny, and how you can do the same.
The villain of doubt. The story begins in a small, poor home in Mississippi. Oprah Winfrey was born into poverty. She wore dresses made of potato sacks because her family couldn't afford real clothes. At school, the other kids laughed. Teachers told her she wasn't special. At home, she faced abuse. Every day, she carried wounds no one could see. But the worst wound wasn't poverty or even abuse. It was doubt. Doubt became the villain of her life. Doubt whispered, "You're just a poor black girl. Nobody will ever listen to you." Doubt shouted, "You're worthless." And people reinforced it. When Oprah told her family she wanted to be on television, they laughed. They said, "That's impossible. Girls like you don't end up on TV." Have you ever had a dream that people laughed at? What was it? Write it in the comments. I'll be reading. This is where most people quit. They let the villain win. But Oprah, she chose a different path.
The turning point. In high school, Oprah discovered her gift, speaking. She had a voice that could move people. She entered a speaking competition and won. For the first time, the villain of doubt grew quiet. But it wasn't gone. Later, when she got her first job as a TV news anchor, her boss told her she was too emotional, too dramatic, too unfit for television. They fired her. Imagine that, being told you'll never succeed at the very thing you love. Oprah cried. She felt the villain creeping back. They were right. You'll never make it. But here's the turning point. She realized that self-confidence isn't built when life is easy. It's built when life breaks you, and you choose to stand back up. Oprah started again, this time hosting a small talk show. Instead of pretending to be someone else, she leaned into her authentic self. She told stories. She listened deeply. She connected. The audience loved her. Slowly, her confidence grew. Which do you think is harder, facing rejection from strangers or doubt from your own family? Comment below.
The transformation. Oprah didn't just silence the villain, she crushed it. She transformed doubt into fuel. She said, "You don't become what others believe you are. You become what you believe you are." She built her empire on this belief. From the Oprah Winfrey Show to becoming a billionaire, she became living proof that confidence can rewrite destiny. The villain of doubt still whispers, even to her, but now she knows the truth. Confidence isn't the absence of doubt, it's acting anyway, despite it. And here's the 3 lessons for you. 1 is embrace the doubt. Don't run from it. Use it as fuel. 2 is find your voice. Like Oprah, confidence grows when you speak your truth. 3 is start small, grow big. Win one small battle at a time. That's how you win the war. Mini challenge for you. Tonight, write down one area where you've been doubted. Tomorrow, take one small action to prove yourself, not to them, but to you.
Now I want to hear from you. What's the biggest doubt you've faced in your life? Drop it in the comments. I'll respond to as many as I can. And if Oprah's story gave you courage, hit that like button, share this video with a friend who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more motivational stories. Remember,
Doubt may be loud, but your belief can be louder.